67 with another video. And this is the second video of my new series. I'm gonna pull the random fin out of a hat. And lightsaber, yay! 10 minutes started now. It's from Star Wars and it's a double-sided lightsaber. It belongs to the one and only Darth Maul. It's not the biggest, but it's still a lightsaber. Bye, this is Lego Master 67 with another video. See you next time. Peace out. Bye.